Hello.
Hello. We want to show you some stuff today
About the
Uki.
The Uki. If you do not know what the Uki is, the Uki is
it's this one where the blood comes out for the girls.
so punani, vagina. Anyways,
Too bad we gotta go in there. Okay. So yes. Anyways. How do you like my hair?
we will be showing you the different type of
Of
Uki.
Ukis there is in the female population.
So basically, if you are Chinese,
You get the you if Chinese, what the?
if
how
you
am I
are
supposed
any
to
type
know?
of Asian, you get the.
You get no. You have to start from the Muslim first.
Okay, so
then
if you are
the
Polynesian,
the Polynesian,
Melanesian,
the
Micronesian,
the nation
Polynesian,
ladies,
Pacific
the nation
Islanders,
ladies,
the Pacific Islanders, you
that
get
one is it the loose Uki?
the loose Uki,
This is the loose Uki.
the loose Uki.
Okay.
Basic, what else nationality?
And then the Hispanic one, they have the
tighter
Uki, the tight
tighter
Uki.
Uki.
This is Shorty.
What?
This is tight. This is tighter. This is tighter and this is tight.
Okay.
You get
This is tight Uki.
Okay, this is the
Hispanic.
the Hispanic get the tight Uki. And then the black one,
Asian, black
the
Asian.
the black dog. Oh, we should do dogs. You know the dog? The dog?
The black dog.
You know the black dog?
Black
That one?
dog.
The black dog get the very, very tight Uki.
Very, very
This
tight.
one? You know this one?
Very, very, very tight.
Very tight.
Very tight.
And then
The white doggy.
the white doggy,
The
the
white
howdy
doggy.
one,
The
the
white
howdy
doggy.
doggy.
You get the
This one get the
big
very, very
Uki.
loose Uki.
Very, very big.
Very, very
loose. Very, very loose.
This one is the very loose.
Very, very loose.
Very, very loose. Too loose Uki. The very loose Uki. This one, the white one. And then the big Uki. This one, it's very loose.
That's nail.
This one is the name material.